We have some breaking news that's coming in. Security has been beefed up in Bengal for Ram Navami. A tight police vigil is in sensitive areas. Drones and CCTVs to monitor processions. Multiple processions are planned by the BJP and TMC. The devotees have rushed to temples on the occasion of Ram Navami. My colleague Suryagani is joining me live on the broadcast from Howrah. Suryagani, what are the security preparations like ahead of Ram Navami celebrations? Security must be beefed up over there.
Well, absolutely, Chetna, and it's a very dynamic scene that we are looking at right now. Behind me, I'm at Howrah, where the rally of Anjaneyaputra Sena is scheduled to take place. They have to get done with their rally between 8:30 to 12, and Shukanta Majumdar, the state BJP president and union minister, is also scheduled to take part in this particular rally as well. And there's another one by the Vishwa Hindu Parishad on the same particular route at around 3. Let's not forget that Anjaneyaputra Sena was initially denied permission for this particular route where this rally is going to happen today. An alternate route was given to them, but they challenged the order and they went to the High Court, and then the High Court has given them this permission. There's a huge deployment of Bengal police over here at Howrah, and not only Howrah but at various other places throughout the state where massive Ram Navami rallies are going to be taking place shortly. There's a huge deployment of police, and senior police officials are doing the rounds not only here but throughout the state. Committees have been formed to make sure that the law and order situation of the entire state is under control. And you can see the music is on, songs are being played. Police personnel have already been deployed over here, and everyone over here hopes that it's a very peaceful and beautiful Ram Navami for this year. Back to you.
Thank you, Suryagani. Thanks for bringing us those details on that story.